Hello, everyone. Here's a quick video on the account intelligence part of Humantic AI. In this video, we go ahead and take a look at your first MIIA report. Whenever you open a report, you will find there are two types of report available, the full report and the executive summary. Underneath the full report, you will find everything that there is under the sun to know about this organization. But let's be honest, nobody goes through all of these details. That is why we have gone ahead and we have created the executive summary over here. In this scenario, we have United Airlines, who is the buyer, and Humantic AI, who is the seller. So first, what it does is it goes ahead and it gives an executive snapshot about United Airlines, where it gives industry context, the scale of the organization, the strategic priorities that United Airlines have for the next 6 months, and also the market dynamics. In the next section, it goes ahead and it lists the top 3 challenges of United Airlines, and what is the evidence of this challenge, and what is the estimated impact of achieving or not achieving this challenge. Moving forward from there, it lists the same problems and goes ahead and gives what are the relevant offerings by Humantic AI that can solve these problems or challenges for United Airlines. It also gives the connection strength, the value hypothesis, which is one-liners that you can use, and proof or story that will resonate with the buyer, in this case United Airlines, as to why Humantic AI is the right partner to solve this challenge. In the next section, it not only gives you micro-level insights, it also gives you macro-level insights. So here it shows which way is the industry itself shifting, and what is the impact of that on United Airlines, and how can Humantic AI use that as their selling angle? From there, it gives you talk track and discovery questions. It also gives you suggestive champions, why they care, what pain points they focus on, and what should be your approach strategies. And in the last section, it goes ahead and tells you what should be your next action. Now that you've gone through your first MIIA report, go ahead, generate your own report, and happy selling. Thank you.